Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, okay, I'm gonna tell you about my family. This is Takia. That's my sister.
Big sister.
That's my mother. Okay, that one. That's my grandma. Okay, and you know that one, right? That's my grandfather. You can see.
He's going down the steep hill, yeah, babe. There?
Yeah, I cannot see him. So
Make it bigger, like.
Tolong pecahkan je dah punya.
I will.
So as you can see, we are at the Bukit
Bukit Batok Nature Reserve.
Bukit Batok Nature Reserve. I'm gonna show you around. Okay, so you can see this is our hiking stick. No, that's my grandma's
No,
one.
this is mine.
Kakak. Sorry, wait. Okay, so never mind. That was busy lah. Okay, so this is the park. It's kind of like hutan. You know what's hutan? Hutan is a jungle, but mostly to a park lah. Okay, I saw 3 hens and 6 birds and 17 monkeys. Here has a lot of monkeys, but you have to search for it. Now my grandfather is going to pick some. Yeah, so kind of my sister's angry with my dad, so kind of no need to talk about that. Okay, as you can see,
This is Takia's beautiful mother.
okay, I don't know what's that. Can you see that? Someone hang a cloth on like that. Really disgusting. So, right?
Me and my favorite daughter.
Okay, never mind. So as you can see, guys, I'm kind of right busy, but I'll still talk to you. So it's kind of weird that my sister is very annoying. So this is my grandfather. Itu bapakku, grandfather aku. Okay, this is my grandfather. I woke up higher. Okay, kind of very weird. I'm so sorry, guys. So, as you can see, okay, this place is very big. It's 2,061 meter feet, I think. So we're just going to go.
I think that is it.
No, just
Video or just talking?
taking a video.
Bye.
Sorry about that. That's my nice. Hey, Baba. Okay, so I'm gonna find another 2 sticks for me and my mother. So all 3 of them already have sticks. My grandma, my sister, and my grandpa. So that's fun. See you next episode.
Wah, abangnya bukan.